come on. Almost.
No, don't get. I'm gonna look like I have fucking Down syndrome.
You missed. Come on. Come on.
One more.
Your game's not over until you catch it. Come on, you are too. Oh! It's out of her mouth and back out. It was off the rim. Rim job. Rim job.
Better than a blow. Oh, I was talking about bumpkin.
We're gonna get busted with weed now. Come on. Oh!
Fuck, I feel like a fucking dog.
Come on, jump for it, jump for it. Oh!
Oh! Fuck no! Dude, that was in my mouth. It was in my mouth. No, not that.
Hey, oh! Come on, throw it better. Nah.
Oh my god!
Come on. You are fucking sucking. Why don't you give your purse to your dad and tell him to hold on to it while you pitch better. Oh! Hey, there we go.
I know.
Come the fuck on.
Oh! God, dude, I feel like a fucking retarded dog.
We need a pitcher, not a belly itcher.
I hate it. That happens all the time. It's like the story of my
You
life.
hit her in the forehead like 14 times. Open your mouth.
What is that? Fuck!
Oh! Oh, come on. Just leave your mouth open. Just leave your mouth open.
Lockjaw.
She's all...
That never happens.
Ready? Throw 3 or 4 pieces at a time.
Don't waste it. You're making a fucking mess.
You can pick it back up and eat it later.
You're making a mess.
I don't care. Okay, ready, set, go.
Okay.
Go. Catch it. Oh,
fuck.
Come on. You got to catch one.
Okay. Oh, that's a good idea.
Oh, yeah, that is a good idea. Thank you. You're welcome. Welcome.
Okay, ready? Oh, no.
Now you got to sit up higher in the seat. Lean back. Oh! She did her tongue out.
You're eating off the car?
It's 5-second rule.
You're gonna get bird flu.
Bird flu? You're going to get Ebola. Uh-oh, come on. Make it worth opening her mouth.
What a waste then.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Nobody said suck. She just needs to open her mouth. It's not about sucking.
Yeah, well, that's what you get for talking shit about my sucking, because I want to make it clear.
Come on. You got to catch one.
Great.
You got to catch one. You got to jump for it. Jump for it.
Fuck you. Don't set me up like that. Just look that.
Oh, look at here's good. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. It's fucking point blank. Come on. Oh.
Give me a breeze.
Oh, shut the fuck up. Okay. Yay! You guys win!
I can do
Winner!
I can fucking do hella good.
You know, look at all the popcorns in the back seat, Krista.
Oh my god, all that weed that's wasted. Weed popcorn wasted. Shit wasted.
All me from my mouth.
Thank you.
Yes, you're a very good player.
Because you made me miss it.
Bird flu.
Hey, this is proof that you didn't go inside.
Eat them! Eat them.
Well, this is proof you didn't go inside.
Where's your mouth?
Right there.
Eat it!
You know, that movie Scary Movie, they gave the hand and they're like...
Get some gravy.
I like that color.
Pour it all on you.
High five.
We're sick with it, dude. We're sick.
Watch.
Me, the Krista clan.
She can't even pitch herself. A good one.
Pitch myself better than anyone.
You pitcher and catcher.
I'll do what it needs to do. But I love my boyfriend so much.
Oh.
Big nose. But